Get ready to discover 20 genius woodworking tools designed to make you work 10 times faster. From ultra-precise cutting systems to smart measuring and time-saving setup tools, each one is built to boost efficiency, reduce costly mistakes, and deliver clean, professional results. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a passionate DIYer, these productivity-boosting tools will completely transform the way you work. Let's dive in. Festool Plunge-Cut Saws deliver unmatched precision and control for woodworking professionals and enthusiasts. Designed for clean, straight cuts, the plunge mechanism allows you to start cuts anywhere on the workpiece. The saw's dust extraction system ensures a clean work environment, while the ergonomic handles reduce fatigue during long cutting sessions. Its high-quality motor provides smooth and efficient cutting through wood, plywood, and laminates. Perfect for cabinetry, flooring, and detailed woodworking projects, the Festool Plunge-Cut Saw combines German engineering with innovative design to deliver repeatable accuracy. Professionals appreciate its precision, reliability, and versatility, making it a must-have in any advanced workshop. The kitchen worktop jig is a specialized tool designed for precise installation of countertops. Its durable aluminum construction ensures stability and repeatable accuracy, allowing precise cuts and alignments. The jig accommodates various worktop thicknesses, reducing mistakes and wasted material. Easy-to-use clamps securely hold workpieces, while the guide ensures straight, flush edges. Perfect for professional installers and DIY enthusiasts, it significantly speeds up the workflow and improves installation quality. With this jig, even complex joinery and corner setups are simplified. It's a practical tool for kitchens, furniture, or custom wood projects, making your work faster, safer, and more accurate. HiKOKI drills are powerful, versatile tools built for precision and efficiency. Featuring MultiVolt battery technology, they deliver cordless freedom with consistent power across wood, metal, and masonry. Ergonomic handles reduce fatigue, while variable speed and torque settings allow precise drilling for every application. Brushless motors increase battery life and reduce maintenance, providing longer runtime for demanding projects. Ideal for professional contractors, carpenters, and serious DIYers, HiKOKI drills handle everything from furniture assembly to large-scale construction. With reliable performance, robust build, and advanced features, they are essential for anyone seeking efficiency, accuracy, and durability in a high-quality cordless drill. JessEm's Box Joint Jig is a precision woodworking accessory designed for making accurate, repeatable box joints. Its robust aluminum construction provides stability, while adjustable guides allow customization for different board widths and joint sizes. Perfect for drawers, boxes, and furniture projects, it ensures tight-fitting joints with professional quality results. Simplifies complex joinery, reducing trial and error, and saving hours of work. Easy to set up and compatible with most routers, it is ideal for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. By combining durability, precision, and user-friendly design, JessEm's Box Joint Jig is an essential tool for anyone seeking speed and accuracy in woodworking projects. Digital calipers are essential precision measuring tools for woodworking and metalworking projects. With high-resolution LCD displays, they provide accurate measurements in millimeters, inches, and fractions, reducing errors in layout and assembly. Made from stainless steel, these calipers are durable and resistant to wear. Their sliding scale allows quick, repeatable measurements for cutting, drilling, or fitting parts, improving workflow efficiency. Lightweight and portable, they are ideal for both workshop and on-site use. Digital calipers simplify complex measurements, making them indispensable for cabinetry, furniture, and precision joinery. Professionals and hobbyists alike rely on them to maintain accuracy and improve productivity in every project. The Hilti Nuron cordless circular saw combines power, precision, and portability for professional woodworking and construction projects. Its brushless motor delivers consistent cutting performance while extending battery life, and the cordless design allows freedom of movement without being restricted by cords. Adjustable depth and bevel settings provide flexibility for a variety of cuts in wood, plywood, and laminates. Ergonomic handles ensure comfort during extended use, while the built-in safety features protect the user from accidents. Ideal for contractors, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts, this saw increases efficiency and productivity while delivering clean and accurate cuts. Hilti's reputation for German engineering ensures durability and long-term reliability. The Total Table Saw is a versatile precision woodworking tool for clean, straight, and angled cuts. Its stable work surface ensures accuracy, while the high-performance motor delivers consistent power for cutting hardwood, softwood, and plywood. The adjustable blade height and bevel allow for a wide range of applications, including furniture, cabinetry, and flooring. Safety features such as blade guards and anti-kickback systems protect the user during operation. Ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended sessions, and dust collection compatibility keeps the workspace clean. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists, the Total Table Saw enhances productivity and ensures reliable, high-quality results in every woodworking project. The router plane is a precision woodworking tool designed for cleaning, leveling, and smoothing recesses, grooves, and joints. Its sharp, adjustable blade ensures consistent depth control for perfect joinery, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort and stability during use. Made from high-quality materials, it is durable and built to last. Ideal for fine cabinetry, furniture, and woodworking projects, it allows professionals and hobbyists to achieve precise cuts that are difficult with power tools alone. This tool improves workflow efficiency and ensures accuracy in mortises, dados, and inlays. The router plane is a must-have for woodworkers seeking perfection and craftsmanship in every detail. G-Rafter squares are precision measuring and layout tools designed to ensure perfect right angles and straight lines in woodworking and carpentry. Made from high-grade materials, they resist warping and maintain accuracy over time. Ergonomic design and clear markings allow quick and reliable measurements for furniture, cabinetry, and framing projects. These squares help woodworkers reduce errors, save time, and increase productivity when marking cuts or aligning joints. Lightweight yet durable, they are suitable for both workshop and on-site use. G-Rafter squares are an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking precise, efficient, and repeatable results in all woodworking applications. The Milescraft Cabinet Hardware Jig is designed for fast, accurate installation of handles, knobs, and other hardware. Its adjustable guides ensure uniform placement on drawers and cabinets, reducing mistakes and improving workflow. Durable construction guarantees repeatable results, while ergonomic design allows easy handling during long projects. Perfect for DIYers, professional carpenters, and furniture makers, this jig saves time and ensures consistent alignment for every installation. Its versatility makes it compatible with various drawer and cabinet sizes, streamlining hardware installation for kitchens, bathrooms, and custom furniture. A practical and reliable tool, it significantly boosts efficiency and precision in any workshop or home project. The Total Circular Saw is a high-performance cutting tool engineered for precision and efficiency. Its powerful motor allows smooth cuts through hardwood, plywood, and laminates, while the adjustable bevel and depth settings provide versatility for angled and straight cuts. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during long sessions, reducing fatigue. Safety features like the blade guard and anti-kickback mechanism protect the user while maintaining performance. Lightweight yet durable, this saw is ideal for contractors, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts. It simplifies cutting tasks, increases productivity, and delivers professional quality results consistently. Total's craftsmanship ensures reliability, making it a trusted choice for woodworking and construction projects. The 20-volt brushless hammer drill is a versatile cordless tool designed for drilling in wood, metal, and masonry. Its brushless motor improves efficiency, extends battery life, and delivers maximum torque for demanding applications. Ergonomic design ensures comfort and control, even during prolonged use. Variable speed settings provide precision for different materials and tasks, while the compact design allows access to tight spaces. Perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this drill reduces fatigue, increases productivity, and ensures accurate results every time. Its durable construction and powerful performance make it an essential addition to any woodworking or construction toolkit. Ball nose bits are essential for precision routing, carving, and finishing. Designed for CNC machines and routers, these solid carbide bits provide smooth curves and rounded grooves in wood, plastics, and composite materials. High-quality construction ensures durability, sharp cutting edges, and long tool life. Ideal for creating detailed joinery, decorative edges, and 3D shapes, they help woodworkers achieve intricate designs with accuracy. Compatible with various routers, these bits enhance workflow efficiency and reduce errors. Professionals and hobbyists benefit from clean, precise cuts that improve the overall quality of furniture, cabinetry, and custom woodworking projects, making ball nose bits an indispensable tool for detailed craftsmanship. The V-Groove router bit is designed for decorative and functional cuts in woodworking projects. Its precision ground carbide tip ensures clean, sharp grooves for sign making, chamfers, and joinery. Suitable for use with hand routers and CNC machines, it delivers smooth, accurate results in wood, MDF, and laminates. Durable construction provides long life and consistent performance. Perfect for furniture, cabinetry, and creative woodworking projects, this bit simplifies complex cuts, enhances workflow, and improves productivity. Its precision and versatility make it a must-have for woodworkers seeking professional quality edges and grooves with efficiency and ease. The Ruitool Benchdog Clamp is a versatile, adjustable woodworking clamp for securing workpieces during cutting, sanding, or assembly. Made from durable aluminum and steel, it provides strength and stability. The ergonomic design allows quick adjustments and secure locking without damaging the material. Ideal for benches, tables, and workstations, it improves efficiency and precision during repetitive tasks. Professionals and hobbyists alike benefit from its ease of use, durability, and consistent performance. Perfect for furniture making, joinery, and DIY projects. This clamp enhances safety and workflow, ensuring workpieces remain stable while reducing errors and saving time. The Cabinet Hardware Jig simplifies precise installation of handles, knobs, and hardware on cabinets and drawers. Its aluminum construction ensures stability, while adjustable guides allow uniform placement across various furniture sizes. The jig reduces mistakes, saves time, and improves workflow for kitchens, bathrooms, and custom furniture. Ergonomic design makes repeated use easy, and its compatibility with different hardware types ensures versatility. Carpenters, DIYers, and professionals alike benefit from its productivity, guaranteed alignment, and reduced errors, making it an essential tool for anyone installing cabinet hardware efficiently and accurately. The Gardel 8-inch folding saw is a portable, precision cutting tool ideal for woodworking, pruning, and outdoor projects. Its sharp, hardened steel blade ensures clean, accurate cuts through wood and small branches. The folding mechanism provides safety and compact storage for easy transport. Ergonomic handle design allows comfortable use while maintaining control during long cutting sessions. Durable and lightweight, it's perfect for professionals, DIY enthusiasts, and hobbyists working in workshops or outdoors. This folding saw increases efficiency, reduces fatigue, and ensures precise results in woodcutting and shaping tasks. The countersink drill bit set provides professional quality tools for drilling, deburring, and countersinking holes in wood and soft metals. Each bit is precision ground to produce clean, angled holes for flush screws and fasteners. Made from high-quality materials, the bits are durable and long-lasting. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and DIY projects, this set improves workflow efficiency, reduces errors, and ensures professional-looking results. The adjustable design allows customization for different screw sizes and applications, enhancing versatility. Woodworkers and craftsmen rely on these bits for clean, accurate, and repeatable holes in every project, making them essential for productivity and precision. The Klein Tools Digital Electronic Level is a precision measuring tool designed for woodworking, construction, and alignment tasks. Its digital display provides accurate readings in degrees, percent slope, or millimeters, eliminating guesswork. Durable and lightweight, it's perfect for workshops, job sites, or portable use. The magnetic base ensures stable placement on metal surfaces, while the ergonomic design allows easy handling and extended use. Professionals and hobbyists alike benefit from its precision, efficiency, and user-friendly interface. This level helps ensure perfectly aligned cuts, furniture, cabinets, and frames, increasing productivity and improving the overall quality of woodworking and construction projects. Those were 20 genius woodworking tools that can dramatically increase your speed, accuracy, and overall productivity. The right tools don't just make work easier, they help you achieve cleaner cuts, tighter joints, and better results in less time. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful tool discoveries and woodworking innovations. Thanks for watching.